for the wonderful and bronze. Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is JB and I would like to meet my sea lion friends together with the trainers one of the time. On your left side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Ooh, confident. Her name is Yenny. Together with trainer RJ, say hi. While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called pink or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their broad flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as swim-footed since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lion is the fact that they have bigger, broad flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on the land. And that's a fine demonstration of a round of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? We'll check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with a coat of short coarse hair. And the whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Ooh, what a nice smile! Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen night-sight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat lives with high pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. So check it out. First from rivers. And now, let's talk about their swimming abilities and let's start with Yenny, the smartest.